Hey there, everybody. My name is Nick. This is my um, portfolio for on Weebly, basically. So everything here is through just the welcome page saying hello. There's a couple of little links to our other assignments that we have up here. A little bit about myself. I'm just trying to be. I'm coming. Excuse me. I'm trying to become a U.S. history teacher and just work and go through and have all that kind of fun, and live that adult life. And then just going, just here's the word assignment with our lesson plan that we had for the day, or for that assignment, the Excel sheet. There it is, little showing one of the pages from the Excel sheet right here on the conference page. And then our PowerPoint assignment that we had for everything. There it is. There's mine. And then here's the Webquest. Webquest is actually, let's go click on that. Let's see. And here's it open up. So here's my Webquest. I did mine on the American Revolution, or on the U.S. Revolution. On to the next page here. Oh, woo, yeah, ads. Gotta love them, right? So here's the little introduction. It's just on basically the U.S. Revolutionary War, where the U.S. claimed independence from England. Had several battles, and where they came together, and like our founding fathers, they came together and drafted and signed the Declaration of Independence, which is why we celebrate Independence Day. Going on to our tasks, if it'll load. There's tasks. Basic students get in groups of 3 to 4. Choose a year that occurred during the Revolutionary War and do research and create a presentation on the battles that occurred in that year, and then create a quiz on the presentation and then research that they did for their fellow students to do. If it'll load there. Process, basically, just as in this assignment, students will get in a group, like I said, groups of 3, 4, choose a year that occurred during the Revolutionary War. Throughout the project, they need to go through the battles that occurred in that year. They need to make sure they give out when the battle started and ended, how long it was lasted, where the battle occurred, how many casualties there were for each side, and the mortality rate for that battle, and see when that happens. Once they get all that data from their research, they'll throw it into a PowerPoint or a presentation of however they want to do to present it. That needs to be a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 10. Groups will need to create a 5 to 10 question quiz on their presentation for their fellow students to do. And so it's that's just for all of them to get there. Just showing off a little of everything here, just waiting for everything to load. And the evaluation has 4 criteria that they need: research, presentation, quiz, and the participation. Here's all like everything follow, like it's out of a 3-point scale. 3 points for getting all the right, basically. It's easy to follow. It's easy to follow. It's clear and easy to follow and understand. Hits all the required marks, and you have a full-on participation in it. 2, it's still a little easy to read. You might be missing a couple things. You mostly participate and get along well with your group members. And for 1, it's just hard to follow. You're missing some stuff. You had little to no participation, and you probably didn't get in. And a 0 or not applicable, you just don't send any work. I want to be that kind of teacher that just be like, hey, you submit something, you should get something for it. You should get something out into this grade, but if you don't send anything, you don't get anything. So that's just how I would run my classroom, but that's just me. and everything, and looking at the conclusion and finishing off. Students are here to understand the Revolutionary War and basically how this country started and its strive to where we are today for this country. And obviously, there's a lot, but that's a different story. So yeah, guys, thanks. That's everything, guys. Thank you so much for joining me here. Oh, I guess I do still have a couple things. I got other my other pages, our education technology one. I did mine on common curriculum if you don't see it, and then this recording is going to go up here as well. So guys, thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoyed.